In today's video, we'll explore the top 20 Muslim armies in the world, showcasing their strength, capabilities, and contributions to global security. Number 20. The Indonesian National Armed Forces. With over 400,000 active personnel, they are known for their counterterrorism efforts and maritime defense capabilities. Number 19. The Turkish Armed Forces. With a long history and modernized equipment, they play a crucial role in NATO and have a strong presence in the Middle East. Number 18. The Egyptian Armed Forces. With a large standing army and advanced defense industry, they are a key player in the region, ensuring stability and security. Number 17. The Pakistani Armed Forces. With a focus on counterterrorism and a nuclear-armed military, they play a vital role in regional security. Number 16. The Nigerian Armed Forces. With a large army and experience in peacekeeping missions, they contribute to regional stability and combating terrorism. Number 15. The Saudi Arabian Armed Forces. With modernized equipment and a focus on defense, they are a key player in the Middle East and contribute to regional security. Number 14. The Iranian Armed Forces. With a large standing army and regional influence, they are known for their unconventional warfare capabilities and missile program.